was this proposal, Attorney, from Senator Rodante Marcoleta, a proposal to amend the rule requiring senators to be physically present at the Senate when they conduct a vote. So essentially, the amendment here is that senators can vote virtually anywhere, basta online po ano. What do you make of that kind of amendment to a rule?
Uh, well, since the issue concerns national interest or public interest, the rule should not be made to accommodate one or two or any senators who cannot be able to attend the proceeding, because it will destroy the integrity of the proceeding. You know, impeachment is, although it is a political exercise, but it is also a means to call public accountability. Now, if we bend the rule just to accommodate one or two senators, who cannot, by legal impediment, cannot be present in order to participate in the proceeding, or worse, to vote for the decision, then my personal opinion is that it is a mockery of the rules and it's a mockery of the procedure. It should not be that way.